We're surprising him with a new car for his birthday. Day 2. Oh goodness, look what we just found. Ooh. I know. You going for a ride with the boys, dude? Safe travels. Love you guys. Bye. Do you want Mama to come, Lukey?
Aztec.
Oh, you'll be good. Have fun, Kate. Say love you, Hino. Love you. Bye. We're switching cars. Road trip down into this. Should we go try to find a pool or hot tub, bud? You know where we are? Day 2.
Wow.
And welcome to today's video. We are on day 2 of our road trip down to California. We are currently in the Aztec and we are driving this down for a friend to deliver it for them. Lucas is over here playing with his new toy. Yeah, Miss Cindo's about ready to take a nap for the ride.
Yeah.
My driver, Micah, up front. Yeah. And I'm Jody, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and become part of our YouTube family. We just got done stopping at a fruit stand for some food, and we're headed back on the road to our next destination.
Grab it.
So I know I was explaining earlier how we are delivering a car down to Los Angeles. For those of you who don't know, we live in Oregon, so this is quite an adventure, a 2-day adventure. We've just been going at the kids' pace because that's just what you do when you travel with kids. We have about 2 hours until we're into LA. We're just getting some dinner here and letting the kids run around outside and have some fun. Oh, hey now. Where's Mama? Oh, princess. Cindo. Guys, we'll see you back at the hotel. And we're at our next hotel. This is day 3 of our weekend adventure, which is not really a weekend adventure anymore. Micah and his friend right now are playing a little bit of car shuffle. As I mentioned yesterday, we were delivering a car and we're taking a different car back home. Today though is kind of a day of rest of all the car driving we've been doing. We do have something a little bit fun planned for our day. And so when Micah gets back, we're gonna get headed there. And then also part of the reason we decided to make this trip well, I don't know, part of a bonus of making this trip, I guess I should say, are hoping to go by Sequoia National Park. When we were down here when I was pregnant with Sindel, I just felt like I was going to have her, and I was like, we just need to get home, so we made the trip home, and now we're back here, and we just really want to take the opportunity to try and go there. So I'm curious, you guys, leave me a comment. What is the longest car ride that you have done? This is definitely one of the longer car rides that I've been on, and our kids have been doing amazing. I don't know where I was or what I was saying. The kids, they're kind of distracting. It's hard to vlog when I'm trying to keep an eye on them too. Lucas was playing in one of the bags. Anyway, there he is now with his orange shades. Lukey, you want to go on a hike today, buddy?
Yeah.
And there's Miss Sindel. Yeah. There was something I was going to mention. I know this isn't that big of a deal before we get headed out of here. Is I am a little sad. Before we left, we went out to dinner, and I had my earrings in one of the stupidest pockets I could put them in, and they fell out, and then the waiter ended up vacuuming them. So my pearls and the opals that were Micah's grandma's are no more. I just have the one pearl, and maybe I'll get it made into a necklace or a ring or something like that. You know what? Leave me a comment on that too. Let me know if you think I should turn that pearl into a ring or a necklace. Oh, there's my babe. Alright, you guys, in true Boylan fashion, we are changing our plans. We were gonna go up and see the Hollywood sign today, but since Sindel's taken a nap, we have just decided to get on our way to Sequoia, so.
I think trees over plywood.
Do you see them?
The orange and blue one, that's a flippy roller coaster.
He's looking at the roller coasters, that's great. Look what we just found. This is so cool. Wow, Lukey, it's a carriage. Family picture. I mean, how could you not get your photo at the carriage when your YouTube channel name is Boylan's Happily Ever After? Huh, with our two little pumpkins. Was that cool, Lukey? Yeah, it had spider webs, Dada. Officially in Sequoia National Park, so get ready for some views, huh, babies? You like your sister? Begin to tell you what that drive was like. Oh, running water. I was gonna get out, but not into that. Look how deep that snow is. I can't even tell you, I did not even want to look. It was extremely scary. We are super high up into the mountains. It was like extreme cliffs out there. Okay, so we made it into the park, and look how deep the snow is. Like, this is crazy. I wanted to take a little bit of a time out here and direct you towards another video. Like, continue watching this one, but when you're done, check in the links below the description. The whole, like, us shuttling this car thing has been kind of like a prank that the guys, well, I don't want to call it a prank, that the guys are playing on this other guy. They are surprising him with a new car for his birthday, and they should be recording it, and there should be a video up on Who's the Ross's channel. Anyway, I'll be linking that video for you guys to check out below for sure. I guess just to elaborate on the prank thing a little bit more, since you guys aren't seeing the perspective that I am seeing of this, but supposedly this guy is supposed to think that the car that we are traveling in maybe got stolen down in LA. He was calling Micah. I don't know, it's so funny. Oh, to me that they're doing this, I hope they're not being too mean, but getting a new car is not a mean thing. I'm so excited to stay a night here. Micah is getting us checked in right now. Both babies are asleep, and as soon as we get checked in, I'll show the place to you guys. So let's cue to that. Alright, it's our first stop up in. Yeah, let's go see some big trees. We are excited to be out of the car. Wants to be carried and close to mama. I wanted to be sure and mention that we're not going to be filming for our ride home tomorrow because it's probably going to be super boring, but we are going to be filming for our other channel, Treasure Chest Memories. We have a treasure chest to hide. If getting free goodies of stuff interests you, or you just, a bug. Or you just want to check out what we're doing over there, I will also be linking that for you guys in the description below. Go show it some love. Into the room. Yes. Lukey's already calling our friend Rob. Nice room. Lukey, are you making coffee? I'll take another glass, please.
I'll have some too.
Daddy gonna get some?
A tar.
It's gonna start? You gonna make it?
Yeah.
Tell me when it's ready.
Okay.
Can I have a glass?
It's going.
He turned it on. He's really making us coffee. You ready to go home? What are you doing? Are you a dino? Spin, spin, spin. You can do it. Want help? They come out right there.
You did it.
What's on it?
Is it the mountain one? Look, Lukey. Look at it.
What's in your hand? Ooh, the mountain one.
Show the camera.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Baby heart, baby.